Yes, my people, good day. Look what finally made it into the shop today. All right. So this week will be the week for the series of diagnosing this truck to see if it really does need an engine or if it don't need an engine. So stay tuned for that. Right. Benz life. Yep. Sometimes when something is so nice, you get to do it twice. So I had so much fun putting it in the last time. All right, the ground is already off, right? For those who know that I be messing up sometime. What size is this? I'm gonna pull out 11. 10 millimeter look like over the years. All right, let me see what we got. All right, let's try this again. All right. All right, got that loose. Yep. Oh man. All right, got that off. All right. Good thing this one has a handle on it. Oh, man, even with the handle. The handle is so, man. Yeah. Oh, man. Yeah. Oh, man. Good grief. Oh, man, oh, man. Well, let me tell you. Even though the handle is on it, it's kind of not far back enough to tilt it. Oh, man. Boy, let me tell you. Boy, let me tell you. This thing right here, you know? Someone left a comment that, oh, it's no big deal. Yeah, okay. Okay. It's no big deal, huh? You see how much energy that? Just on a battery. Just on a battery. Yeah. Leaving me a comment, but oh yeah, it's not a problem. Goes in easy, yeah. Okay. I'm not gonna argue, bro. Alright, so now this is the one that we're replacing, and it is right under here. See? It's right here, son. So undo these two terminals off of it, and I guess you bend that out the way, I guess, yeah. How many times can you bendy that thing, right? So, all right. Shoo, boy, let me tell you. I don't like putting out that much energy so early in the morning, okay? I got things to do. So when I tested this one, keep the red to red, no comments. 1 volt, okay? And then this is the new one. Testing this. 12.5 something volts. You see that? All right, so this is the good one. What that one? 2018 written on that. So I guess I should write a number on this, right? Since I'm writing love notes. Let's say we're gonna write 2022, and then we're gonna write I nose, smiley face. I say hi, and then a heart. Love you. How about that, eh? For the next tech. Plaza skirt. Yo, watch out now. Hey! Alright, let me install this back. Can't start diagnosis with a dead battery. Put this one back in. Plaza skirt. In the dungeon you go. Hold on. Make that up. Stick up some. In the dungeon you go. Blood seed. Blouse and skirt. Man. And that's it, folks. As easy as that. Yeah. Yep. For those who say it's easy, yeah. There you go. That's how easy it is.